Guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your BMW car keys. I drive a BMW F34 2019 version, so if your BMW keys look like this is how you change the battery. So what you're gonna need first is your car keys, of course, and then you're gonna need a new battery. I don't know if the batteries are the same, but with my car case, the battery is a CR2450 lithium cell 3 volts battery. If you turn your key around at the back, you're gonna see this button. I'm sure if you have been a BMW owner for a long time, you know how this works, but if you're new, you press this button here, and usually it always takes time to find it difficult to take this part out, but I found out the easiest way to do that. So you use this thumb to press here, and then you use this pinky and hook it on a hole here, on the keyhole here. So as you press here, you just use this one to pull out, easy like that. So you press, pull with this pinky. You pull, press here, and then you pull. I'll do that again. Use this thumb to press here, and then you use this pinky, hook it at the keyhole underneath, press with a thumb, and then pull with a pinky, and then it's out. And if you didn't know, you can actually open your car with this part of the key if your remote access is not working. I'm sure if your car is equipped with an alarm, then you need to, yeah, I'm not gonna tell you how to do that, then I'm giving that away. But yeah, and then to lock your glove box inside the car, you can use this part. So you turn your key around, and then this is the big hole where this part goes in. When you take it out, you're gonna see like there's a little I don't know how to call this. I hope you can see. There's like a little part sticking out. I don't know what it's called in English, but that's where you take your flat screwdriver and then just hook it up there. I hope you can see that. And then just gently, not too hard, gently just do this, and then pop it out like that. So easy. Take it out, and then there is your battery. There is a hole here. Guys, I'm so sorry if my camera work is horrible, but yeah. So you put your flat screwdriver here, and then gently just pull the battery out. Put it to the side. Take your new battery. You slide in like this. While there's like a flat line, there's like a circle, and then here it's flat. That's why you slide your battery in like that. Gently. It's in. You take your cover. You slide it like this. You slide in like that. Make sure that part is in like that. And then you just squeeze until you hear a click sound. Gently, not too rough so you don't damage your car keys. So yeah, there you go. And then you take this bad boy, slide inside until you hear the click sound again, and then you're good to go. Now you don't need to take your car to BMW for them to charge you just to change the battery. You can do it yourself, it's easy. Yeah, thanks guys. Subscribe, like, and share my video. See you in the next video. Peace.